In Cebu, kindness is not just a word. It's a feeling, a way of life. It's in the hands that help, the smiles that welcome, the gentle words that make us feel seen. Let's discover 6 Cebuano words that carry the warmth of the heart. A young man helps an elderly woman with her grocery bag. Tabang means to help. It's not just about what you do. It's about being there when someone needs you most. Whether you're lifting a heavy load or simply reaching out with a kind gesture. Tabang turns strangers into neighbors and neighbors into family. When we help each other, we grow closer, one act at a time. 2 women wave and greet each other warmly outside their homes. Timbaya means to greet. A smile, a wave, a few words shared in the morning sun. These small greetings are how communities begin and how friendships last. Timbaya reminds us, we are not alone. You are seen. You are welcome. A child shares a snack with a classmate. A woman hands food to a beggar. Hatag means to give. True generosity is not measured in size or cost. It's measured in heart. Piece of fruit, a warm meal, a moment. Hatag is the soul's quiet way of saying, I care about you. And in giving, we receive more than we ever expect. A father hugs his son before school. A friend waves goodbye at the bus stop. Oil means take care. It's a gentle farewell wrapped in concern and love. It says, I'll miss you. It says, be safe. It says, you matter to me. Oeo is a blessing we carry with us, even after we part ways. A mother comforts her baby. A teacher gently corrects a student. Tingig na mahumak means gentle voice. Words don't have to be loud to be powerful. Soft voices can heal. They can soothe pain, ease fear, and build trust. In a world full of noise, the most powerful kindness is often spoken in a whisper. A family joins hands in prayer before a meal. A boy says thank you for the gift. Pasalamat means gratitude. Thankfulness isn't just good manners. It's a state of the heart. A choice to recognize the beauty of each moment. When we say pasalamat, we honor not just the gift but the giver. Gratitude turns every day into a blessing. These words tabang, timbaya, hatag, o, tingig na mahumak, pasalamat. They are more than translations. They are reflections of who we are. A culture that loves, shares, respects, and remembers. Let's live with kindness. Let's teach it. Let's pass it on. Like and subscribe for more Cebuano culture, language, and beautiful moments from the Philippines.